Hello again, welcome to my DIY robot YouTube channel. This is another design of how to make your RC robot or RC rover or RC tank tracks. This is the same plate you should prepare as I have mentioned in my earlier videos. This is a simpler design. All you need is to make this rectangular hole by using a punch or any sharp tool, and these two holes, then you should fold this part to make a ring like this, and you should close it by bolts and nuts. This bolt I suggest to be 4 mm diameter and 1 cm length. Then you will have this chain. This is a top view of the chain. This is the bolt, and this is the folded ring which we entered inside the hole of the next plate, and this is the next bolt, ring, bolt, ring. The bolts act as a teeth to engage with the driver gear, and at the same time act as a guide to the wheels and prevent them of losing their path during the motion of the vehicle. The wheel has an intermediate groove, as you see here. This is a grooved ring groove, and this is the driver gear. The time required to make this design is little or less than other designs. The plate, you might get it with a thickness of about 1 mm from a tin plate, such like the food tins or another source, and you should fold it in this area, and you will have the beautiful sound of metal cracking and squeezing between these rings and the hole of the next plate, which is very close to the rear sound of the tank tracks. This is a front view of the design. As you see here, this is the plate and this is the bolt. The bolt has upper nut and lower head of the bolt, and this is the ring, and this is the other plate, and this is the other bolt. This is the top view of the design. The distances between the bolts you can calculate depending on the dimensions of the driver gear. You should firstly choose the driver gear with its dimensions, such like the diameter and the circumference and the number of the teeth. Then, after calculating the circumference you should divide it on the number of the teeth, then you will get the distance between each two bolts of the chain. Thank you very much.